Welcome back. So in this section we will go ahead and develop the front end for our $1 million quiz. So let's go to edit. Okay, so let's first define the invocation name. So our invocation name as we planned was $1 million quiz. Okay, just save it. Okay, and then we start creating our intents. Click on intents, add intent. Our first intent name was ask question intent, create custom intent, and then we need to give our utterances. Start, let's start, okay, let's start, I am ready. So we created 4 utterances for our ask question intent. Let's add the another intent. So next intent is answer intent. Okay, create this intent, and then we need to create the sample utterances. But before creating the sample utterances, we need to create a slot type for it actually, because this answer could have a parameter or a slot which could be anything. So we need to define the type of that parameter or the slot. So that we will do it over here. So let's come here and add a slot type. So we'll name it as answer type. So create this. Okay, so we created the slot type here. Then come back to the answer intent and then type in our utterances. So I think it's the answer basically. So just give this opening curly brackets and then add your slot name over here, answer, add it. So I think that's a static utterance and this is a variable utterance, and it's actually populated with the answer, actual answer. So then add it. Then the next one, it's select the answer. Okay, then we'll give only answer. Then I know it's answer. Okay, so we created now 4 utterances for the answer intent as well. So let's save the model. Okay, so we got an error over here. So error code missing slot type. Okay, so what we need to fill in here is that the answer doesn't have a slot type which we created over here. The slot type of this is answer type. So just go click on this and you can select the answer type over here. So this is like a variable type, like the string or integer or whatever. So here we created our own type which is called answer type and we selected answer type over here. And now just go ahead and save the model. Custom type values cannot be empty. Okay, so we need to do one more thing over here. So let's come back to the answer type. We need to give some slot values actually here. Okay, slot values here actually. Okay, so let's give those values over here. Like the answers could be Canada, it could be Antarctica, or it could be Ada Lovans, then Elon Musk, then Yeah, so we will give these 4 answers for now. Okay, and then go ahead and save the model. So now the interaction model successfully saved. Okay, just save it once again. Yeah, just to be sure. So it's saved, and then just click on the build model as well to see whether there is any build errors or anything. So it's building. Okay, now the build is successful. Build is successful here. So yeah, so we have almost done our front-end development. So the only thing pending is this endpoint which we need to define, where we need to give our lambda here. So in the next section we will go ahead and create our lambda, and then after that we will come back and we will give our AWS resource name over here. So it can be given only after we create the lambda. So in our next section we will go through in detail on how to create the lambda in with JavaScript and Node.js. So yeah, that's all for this section. Thank you so much.